Light up your language. Understanding light installation. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines art, technology, and language. The term, light installation. Whether you've seen dazzling displays in galleries or bright artworks in city spaces, light installations have a unique way of capturing our imagination. But what exactly does this phrase mean, especially for those of us learning English? Let's shed some light on it together. A light installation refers to a type of art that incorporates light as its primary medium. Unlike traditional paintings or sculptures, light installations use the interplay of light, shadows, and often colors to create immersive experiences. These can be anything from a simple arrangement of illuminated objects in a small room to complex, interactive displays covering entire buildings. The key aspect is the use of artificial light to transform spaces and create visual and emotional impact. When we talk about light installations, there are a few components that come together to create these awe-inspiring works. Light sources. This can include LED lights, neon tubes, projectors, or even traditional bulbs. The choice of light source affects the color, intensity, and mood of the installation. Space. The location where the installation is set up plays a crucial role. It could be indoors, like in a gallery, or outdoors, in a public park or along a city street. Interactivity. Some installations invite viewers to interact with the artwork, changing colors, casting shadows, or triggering sounds with their movements. Concept. Behind every light installation, there's an idea or theme the artist wants to explore, from environmental issues to abstract concepts of time and space. Light installations do more than just decorate a space. They engage the senses. By immersing viewers in light and color, installations create unique sensory experiences. Invoke emotions. The play of light and shadows can evoke feelings of wonder, calm, or reflection. Communicate ideas. Artists use light to comment on social, political, or environmental issues, making complex topics accessible and engaging. We hope this video has illuminated the exciting world of light installations for you. These artworks show us the power of light to transform spaces, evoke emotions, and communicate ideas. As you continue exploring English and the diverse ways we use it to describe art and technology, remember that language itself is a bit like a light installation, full of nuance, capable of changing perspectives, and endlessly fascinating. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to lighting up your language learning journey with more videos soon.